Miss Francesca again. So I've got a little maths activity for you guys to do at home today. We're going to learn about dividing and sharing an amount. So as you can see, I've got some of my favourite teddies from my house. I've got a monkey, a unicorn and a giraffe. Oh no, my monkey. So what we're going to do is I've set up a little picnic so you guys can copy this at home. And in my bowl, I don't know if you can see here, I've got some pasta. I've got 10 pieces of pasta. It's not cooked, it's really hard. But we're going to pretend that this is food for us to eat in our picnic. So I'm going to share the pasta out. I've got 10 to start with. So I'm going to give monkey 1, 2. I'm going to give giraffe 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give my unicorn 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one piece of pasta left for Miss Francesca. So we're going to write this out as a fraction. We're going to see how much everyone has got at the picnic table. So with a piece of paper and a pen, at the bottom of our fraction, we're going to write the number 10. And a big line over the top. Can everyone see that? Now, how many pieces of pasta did I get? I just got one piece of pasta. So, my fraction is 1 over 10. 1/10. I've got 1/10 of the food. Let's see how much Mr. Monkey's got. So, if we remember at the bottom, we have number 10 because that's how many pieces of pasta we had to start with. Can you see? Now, Mr. Monkey, how many did you get? You got 1, 2. So that means Mr. Monkey gets 2 on top of the number 10. He got 2/10 of the food at the picnic. So there you go, Mr. Monkey. Who's next? Let's do Mr. Giraffe. So again, we put 10 at the bottom and a line over the top. Can you see? And how many did you get, Mr. Giraffe? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. So Mr. Giraffe got 3/10 of the picnic food today. Last one is my unicorn. Mr. Unicorn, how many did you get? Let's have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the unicorn got the most food today. He got 4/10 of the food. There we go. See if you can practice that at home. We're going to try again. So I'm going to take all the pieces of paper back and put all the food back in the middle. So all 10 pieces of pasta are there. Now what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to take 2 out. I'll put them over here. So now 2 at 10, take away 2 is 8. So I've got 8 pieces of pasta. I'm going to share it out. So today, just one for Mr. Monkey. I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I'm going to have 3. 2 for Mr. Giraffe. And 2 for Mr. Unicorn. Right, let's do it again. So, rather than having number 10 at the bottom, this time we have number 8. Because we started with 8 pieces of pasta this time. So as you can see, I've got the number 8 at the bottom. Now I'm going to see how many did Monkey get? He just got 1. So Mr. Monkey has got 1/8 of the food today. There you go, Mr. Monkey. Next, I'm going to do Mr. Unicorn. So to start again, we put 8 at the bottom. Can you see there? And how many pieces of pasta did the unicorn get? 1, 2. 2. So the 2 goes at the top. He got 2/8 of the food today. Now Mr. Giraffe, Mr. Giraffe got the same, 2 pieces of pasta. So the 2 goes at the top. And what number goes at the bottom? Can you remember? It was the number that we started with, which was 8. So Mr. Giraffe got 2/8 of the pasta. And my turn, I was the hungriest this time. My number 8 goes at the bottom. And you see? Because that's how many pieces of pasta we started with. And I've got 1, 2, 3 pieces of pasta. 3/8 of the picnic. See if you can copy that at home. Get some of your friends from your bedroom or your brothers and sisters, your mum and dad, or just some toys. And you can put any type of food you like. I did pasta, or you don't have to do food. You could do blocks, you could do pieces of Lego, you could do anything you like and divide it between your picnic friends and see if you can write the equations of what amount of food you got. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Bye!